c24x.com. Today we're checking out the DitchWitch C24x hydraulic walk-behind trencher. This machine is in excellent condition and ready to go back to work for you. Welcome you to check it out for yourself or hire a local mechanic to check it out for you so you can have a professional opinion. We're open by appointment only though. Just give us a call, get on the calendar. Phone number is 405-833-6437. Happy to have you out. Just want to make sure we have the gates unlocked for you. If you'd like a hauling quote, phone number is 405-833-6437. Call, text, email, or fill out the form on our website with your full address. We'll share that address with several local haulers and a nationwide broker and get back to the best rate that comes back to us. Of course, we'll welcome you to arrange for your own hauling or come pick it up for yourself. This machine is straight from working. Starts right up. Runs on gasoline. This is your fuel fill. There's your fuel gauge. Get back in there. Full right now. That is the Honda GX690 motor. Real high quality engine. Of course, DitchWitch is known for being the best in the industry. Had a full service just 30 hours ago. This is your hydraulic fill and your hydraulic fluid sight glass. It's perfectly right in the middle. This is a 2019 model. It does include a matching DitchWitch brand single axle 3,000 pound capacity, single axle fenders, good lights, includes that spare tire and wheel, 2-inch ball with chains and jack, hooking up. It's got a ratchet strap for pulling it forward and 2 chains for rolling it back. And these ramps just unpin and go down. We're going to show you how to operate it. Bear with me as it's kind of tough to do single-handed, but we'll go through everything with you. The owner's manual for the motor is right inside of here. Currently sitting at 666 hours. We're going to get it fired up. The choke if you need it, throttle, ignition, and hour meter. Left track, right track, reverse, forward, to turn. You can push one forward, one backward. Same with opposite for the air direction. This is what's going to run the chain. You're going to pull it back and go this way for a forward rotation. You're going to go this way for a reverse rotation if you get stuck on a rock. Go ahead and run through the tracking with you. Then this is going to be the chain. Pulling this back, going to the left to engage it forward. To go opposite, you're just going to pull it back and go the other direction. Throttle it up more or throttle it down. Appreciate you taking time to watch. If you have any questions, just give us a shout. Phone number is 405-833-6437. Like I said, this package deal does include the DitchWitch trailer. Hope you have a wonderful day. You can see all the photos and specs and our full and up-to-date inventory online. c24x.com. I thought we better do a walk around of the trailer here as well. So here's the trailer. The DitchWitch is already back up on it. It's a 2019 DitchWitch S3C trailer. Single axle with fenders. Good tires. You see up here, it has the built-in ratchet strap for holding it forward. On the back, it has has the dual chains. You just hook them up and then drive the unit forward until they're tight. These ramps are just going to fold up and then pin up. You can work tail lights. Tire size is 205/75R15. Good tread, and of course has the spare tire wheel. Working jack, 2 chains, 2-inch ball. Light hookup. And it just tows excellent. No problem at all. Like I said, welcome you to come look it over. If you have any questions, give us a shout. Phone number is 405-833-6